Okay, today we continue the lesson with JavaScript with the name script. Okay, so it's like the coding is soft, right? It's flexible. It's sometimes flexible and you can into the document HTML easily compared to the other languages like Java, like C, C++, C sharp, etc. Because the script can include it inside the document HTML file easily, simply, or something like that. And this for the web, easy to learn. Easy, easy to. Okay, something about JavaScript. Later on, we know is also apply for the other scripting language like Python. You know Python, right? The whole of it. Also scripting language. For example, is a variable. It goes back to a number, then later rebound to string. This means that maybe at first you will assign for with the 1, 2, 3, this number, right? And then later on, it's possible for you to define like this is okay. For this case, is what the value for this number or the string, right? The latest one. So this variable can be a number, or can be string, can be whatever. Okay. Not very strict compared to the online languages. When you define the data type for a variable, the value has to be the same data type. Here, it's not good because it should be a code. To the other side, what you see the HTML is the document HTML and HTML inside the body. And inside the body we have a script. And it's just script, right? It's nothing shown for the document. You can see here we have script, touch script with the attribute language equal JavaScript. So this means that document HTML can be included with it, go with it with the other name of the script, right? JavaScript just one of them. And inside the block, we can see, okay, inside the coding blocks, inside script, okay, we can write in the code of JavaScript, right? We define a variable A and B, and then we assign with a value, and this value comes from a prompt is a available function, okay, and apply for document for HTML. And if color, enter the first number, and the other B also has value from the I can say it's from the input, and then compare the value assigned for the variables like A and B compare, and then document writes what the document refer to and refer to this HTML. So this HTML will, okay, you just try and open this and it's slide number 6, chapter 4. You copy this code and save in the HTML file and then run it. And see the first, you can see the prompt, enter the first number and the output belongs to the value you assign for A and B. If A greater than B, HTML file will have its text A greater than B and the other way. And else, and they are both is equal. I try to copy it. I just open Notepad. Okay, I have Notepad plus. I just use Notepad normal one. Um, to make it easy to see. Okay, better. I will save it. I copy to document JS. Okay. Okay, now I have this HTML file, and then I go to the folders, JS folder, and then I open it up. Nothing happened. You can check yourself whether it's happened, or I just maybe just open. No. Yes, it's a prompt. Is there something wrong with this? You try yourself and see what happened in your laptop. Better? Yeah, you see, it's enter the first number, right? With the first prompt is so okay, you enter something. But it's really loose, right? You can write any whatever. Like whether it's cases, no, I don't think it's okay. Oh, so A greater than B is compared to the ASCII code of the letter, but not really what we want. Right? Number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, the first number, and then the second number. Enter the second number. The second prompt will appear here. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's suppose I want B is greater than, so it will appear here. B is greater than. You see, B is greater than A. So is this error is called document, right? The current HTML is document. It's okay. So you write is sometimes okay. You just write, but it doesn't care what kind of the information. Like it's a heading, it's a paragraph, is whatever. Nothing, right? It's just write. Okay, run again. Let's try 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 also is equal. So okay. So through it, you see it's very simple, right? Inside the body, nothing. It's just a script, and we see the output, the string on the HTML because we use the function document write, right? But in the body, we define nothing, right? No heading, no paragraph, nothing. But you use this function document write. Document is referred to this HTML, this body here, this area of the page. Okay, so you want to write something, and even after finish the SL, right? I want to test something else. You know what I mean? So after they go through this if else, they come into this. So it's supposed to have something like it's greater A is greater than B greater than A, or both are equal, and then contrast. Okay, so it means that document write is will be abandoned or just erase the previous information. Let's check. For example, I want 3, 2, 1, A for A, right? And 1, 2, 3, so A is greater than B, right? And then contrast. So if you write more, document write, you have the more information right on the document. Even I can have this because it's not cool, right? I want a break. Okay, a break. So BR, right? May you try. You remember this PR? So I want to have a break. So run. Okay, one. My symbol one. Whole equal and break. Okay, so it go further. If I want a header, it's one. I should continue. For example, I can inside here, inside the block, outside the block, whatever, right? Even I can add an image. It's okay? Yes, because I can do something like this. Okay, for if A greater than B, I can add, you remember syntax for image? EMG, right? And something? EMG. Have property, right? What? Josh? Something like this, equal or it's possible for us to have a link with the image. Okay, let's check it out for absolute URL image. Example. Whether they have okay here. I don't know whether it's working. Copy. No, it's not working, right? File's not working. No, nothing. Can I have it?
Nothing. Okay, try the other way. Maybe just make simple, right? Have one, and you write out something the same, right? Make it simple. What's wrong? Contrast be equal. I don't think it's a problem. This problem is okay. So if I just leave it just blank, it will okay blank and blank. So it's compare here equal or greater or less than. It's something. It's not really strictly to number, right? You got A B C and okay, let's check it out. A B C and then D C A. So B is greater than, right? Because in ASCII code, trong bảng mã ASCII B nó lớn hơn đúng không? Thì nó dễ học mặc định là trường hợp này là B lớn hơn. Bởi vì lúc nãy là A của cô là ABC và bây giờ là BCA nó lớn hơn. Đúng không? Có nghĩa là cái prompt này đưa vào cái value của nó thì sao? Nó dựa vào cái mã hóa về bảng mã ASCII ấy các bạn. Số thì là số đúng không? Nếu là chữ cái thì nó sẽ mã hóa theo bảng mã ASCII đúng không? Bảng mã ASCII thì các bạn còn nhớ không? Here. You see, it be A uppercase, A lowercase. Có nghĩa nó càng nằm phía sau dưới này theo thứ tự thì nó số nó càng lớn. Cái này theo cái nhị phân nên 0000001 thôi. Okay. So try to break it out, maybe to break it out. Document right is okay. Document right. It's the same, right? But something happened with us here. It's working okay here. Nothing problem. You see? Technically, but I don't know why when it added there is a problem. You see, they can write down along A2, hello world, etc. Along right paragraph and even heading to a paragraph. But I don't know why. So here is a problem. Okay. It's supposed to have include everything, right? The element, etc. It's okay here. Document, write, A2, heading, and then a paragraph. It's okay. Yeah. Coming in with example with the function. We can call this document dot write. Document dot write. We write something and then we come in as document get element by ID. No. Yeah. I try to copy this. Right click. Oops. Yeah. So we analyze this. We have the heading 2 inside the body, right? So it will be shown on the page with heading 2 is quite big. And then the paragraph, this paragraph, inside paragraph, and then this paragraph has the ID, name, demo. And then we have a button. Okay, it's a new for us, right? At this time, a button is a button. So it will have the author type, right? And on click, it's just the author's property or activities for this button. When it clicked, then document will take it out the demo here with the ID, get element by ID. So inside the body, they're looking for the ID name demo, right? And they assign for inner HTML for this paragraph with hello JavaScript. Yeah. So it means default we will see JavaScript contain HTML content. And then we click on this button, the button with the label click me. It will change the value of this the paragraph. If we change from Java can change HTML content to hello JavaScript. Let's check it out. Okay. We ready? Yes, and we will show P, VA2, what JavaScript can do, and P here, and then with the button. But we had done nothing, right? Until we click on that, it will call this statement. From here, we have document, it means this document. We get the ID, looking for the ID with the name demo, okay, here. So it's the for refer to this paragraph. Okay, and we change the inner HTML. So the inner HTML if P here, inner, right? ID demo, open, close, and inner here, this content. And assign this hello JavaScript. So when I click on this, it will activate the function, right? That the assignment will be applied. So check out hello JavaScript. Because it changed inner HTML here. Inner, it means inside the paragraph here. Will change to equal hello JavaScript. So that's the reason it changed the ID. in case I want to copy this and I put for A2. If of course I change this to demo 1. So when I click on this button, it will looking for the ID demo and looking here also demo here, the ID A2. And in the HTML of this element is 1 can JavaScript 2. So it will be changed with hello JavaScript instead. Okay? So you analyze it like okay inside the HTML they're looking for the element with the ID demo. So look around. Luckily we have only 2 elements, right? A2 and B, and here, and they change the content inside the HTML. So inside is mean here, inside the touch, right? Open and class touch. And they change from what can JavaScript do to hello JavaScript. Run again. Click here. Because I picked a different ID. Because it looks for the ID, right? It's okay? So it will happen for you. You want to design something, you have to make effect on your page. When you click on this, okay, the label change. Label change on the screen, maybe paragraph, maybe content of the table, right? Of the list, you want just to add the ID for them, and looking for the name of the ID and the main change. It's okay? Yeah. Okay, so far? It's very important. You have to understand this. Finish and then we come in next. It's okay for you. We get element by ID. I could go through the example. One more. Okay, I ask one more. For example, I can ask. You have any idea to add something more? Table or list? You want to have a list? What kind of list? We have an order list and unordered list. Okay. And then we have inside we have what? Remember? List item, right? List item, something like that. I'm lazy, so I copy this. For example, I have a 3, so first one you have something in mind. I can have it the list. Oh, really? Okay, maybe. Okay. Heading 2, I had P, and this P, okay, I have the ID, use list, another list, and the name is, you can name it whatever. And inside the list item, I use this ID for item 1. If you want, you add more. And now, when clicks me, I want to make change and refer to the list or refer to the item, right? It depends on the name. you want to looking for. For example, when I click on this, I'm looking for the ID1, for example. ID1, I want to make something inside the ID1 from English to Vietnamese. It's okay? It's search for, okay. Viet. I don't like click me, so I want edit. Language as the favorite thing. So you see, right? You have the paragraph, JavaScript train content. We have the list, right? My favorite thing, and inside we have three items: English, food, game. Okay, and when I click on this button, right? This button with the caption edit favorite thing, and I focus on the first ID here. So you can, if I click on this, if we're looking for the ID name I want, right? And it change the inner HTML. Here I have inner HTML is English, right? I want to change to Vietnamese. You understand with the example? Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, check it out. And even you can add more, right? We have Vietnamese, and you can have okay, check it out. So is it okay so far? Everybody? The other guy? Yeah? Okay. So you have, maybe you can try with the table. Huh? Because sometimes, okay, click something, some place in the table looking for something and highlight the content. It's possible, has situation in reality, right? You search for something, not just, and I will be change the highlight or whatever, change something. It's just the elements and something else. With example. Here, we also have the heading 2, we have paragraph, the graph paragraph 1, 2, and we have a button on click. It's an event. Also use the get element by ID, so refer to the ID, not yet see the ID in my image, right? And the source is a before the get, so it's a relative, right? Relative URL. It's supposed to have the same folder of this document. And this button has a label or caption, turn on the lights. And then we have the image and we have the ID. All right, ID here. So it's supposed to define the element before, after. It's up to you if you want the content to be so first and then the button, or you want to have a button and then the information. Okay, and this case you have the button first, right? Turn on the light and then image, and then combine the other button. But this button refers to this image, right? This button get and this big button off, on and off. So different pictures. So you think that you can guess, okay, inside we have the image with the ID is the core thing. Because you see the coding refer to the ID, my image, so it's focused on this image in the middle. Yeah. And what they doing with it? It can be the source, right, of the picture. Quite simple. You can change the turn on the right, the light. nothing special. We just the image, picture, button, picture, bird, on, GIF, and turn off. It's the other pictures. But in case work out, it makes sense because okay, the button with the highlight, the color, and then the gray. It's okay. And if we change this, it's very different, right? For example, here you can change it off, and then change this on. It will work differently, right? Light on, nothing but off is light. Okay, so it's I want to emphasize that okay, it's your way to put image. It's nothing miracle and nothing special here. You see that? And this image by default is off. But if by default is on, okay, just put it on, nothing happen. Okay, it's a default for the image. All the time it's on. If I want all the time it's off, I can change it. Okay? And then with on and off, you change the picture. Simple. But this case is work out, right? We can I want to try. I'm looking for two photos. Maybe a dog image. I just pick one. We don't really like this one. Here. Wow, the old man. Yeah. Oh yeah. You can't say no to this dog, right? I want to take it. I put inside the JS doc, and then looking for a cat or whatever. What do you want? Cat, huh? It's popular. Oh. Scary, looks scary. Here. It's small, huh? It's not really cute, but it's small. It's not running forever. I don't know. Wow. Very nice. Okay, I have this one. Yeah, just enough, right? I just need this. I prefer to have include the butterfly also. It's very cool. I'm expert, paint expert. All right. Document, yes. Sheep. Cat. Okay. And the next I will use the default will be the GPG. Okay. And then click on button. Turn on. I don't know. Turn on is will be dock. It will be cat. So it's gold. Dog. Right. You understand what I'm doing? You can do yourself whatever you like. Okay, for example, by default, I have so by default I put text. So if I click on dog, it will show dog picture, right? I make it bigger. You understand? I don't know how to make that bigger. So here I have an image, and by default is a back pictures. And if I click on the dog picture, it will show the dog image, right? If I click on the cat button, it will show the cat. And now I will shape it to the real. I probably do. Okay. You see, by default is X. You understand? By default. And you see the image file and this document. GS2 HTML in the same folder. Relative URL of relative path. It's okay? Okay. You see, and I click on dog, it will change to dog. Okay, change the cat. Okay, it's a cat. Okay? And from that you can think of something else to make it legible and nice. It's very simple from this. Here, I open with Notepad++. You see here on click. Remember the button on click. Document get element by ID. My image and my image ID refer to the image ID file. Okay, and we should just set the attribute source is different. Okay, everybody. Some other people they don't care. Okay, up to them. And this example. Okay. And now coming to the style, we can change the style. Like I say, okay, we have a table of the content, and when click and some event, we change when we highlight some place inside the table. So we also use the ID, right? And then style and what kind of style you want to change. The color, background color, etc. And use example with font size, so to make it bigger or smaller. You can change it. The item you put the ID, looking for the ID with the name demo, and then in the font size to 35. It's 35 mean maybe it's bigger or smaller. We don't know, right? Here, normal we have, and if we click on this, I don't know. It's normally it's bigger. Click me. Oh, it's bigger, right? It's bigger. Make it bigger. And looking for the demo. Okay, here. So looking for this. And then information or the element will change the font size to 35 pixels. Or let's try to change to the color. But I don't know the style of the font style can have. We copy and looking for this. That means the DOM changing HTML to object change can be style property, new style. Here we have style, we have the color. We want to change color, those color. Going back to the example, I can change to the salon, right? I close this. I close this. Here. I change the color. I change color to pink, okay. Pink. And click me, it will apply, right? Nothing. So whether we have a pink color. Okay, change it out. Okay, we have this also. But whether it's inside, I'm not sure. Double. Let's try. Something to do with it's not apply, right? So like demo something, maybe just single. I don't know. I try because here's the demo here, like it. The format is something. Yes, of course, it's wrong. Please, please, pink. Okay. Or we can change the other color because I see here they have a singular. Okay. Yeah, it's something else. Just event. Okay. Style, color. For example, references. It's long, yeah. Align contents, align item, animation. It's long, right? Dictionary here. Border left, border, whatever. Color is just one of them. It's a long list with style, whatever you want to show it. Okay, display feature flag, font. Yeah. So remember, if you want to change the style, with your style and the attribute you want to change it. Let's go after get element by ID, right? And if and reference to the ID you're looking for to change it. It's very important function. And then you connect with the style and we change this. What kind of style you want to make change? Color, model, etc. Here also around with the other display, none. It will hide, like disappear. Here the person with the demo looking for the element with the ID demo and display no is or none. So it means it will remove this from the document. Okay, check it out. It's high, right? Remove. Click on this, it will, if looking for the demo here, JavaScript and this paragraph here, and yes, display but none. So it removes it. So this display but none, it's don't display it. And then we have, okay, if we display the style like this block, see it. It's already blocked. I close this because it's a lot of nothing, right? Demo display not have a script, display block, style display block button. Define ID. Okay, so it's by default. By default is it's non-display, right? It's hidden. It's hidden. We just can see A2 and B JavaScript can show nothing with hello JavaScript. So when click on button, we will show this. It in the value display for to block. Yeah, that's why we have more. We will show it up. By default, on none, you want to block. And here we have none. In this case, the same previous example. Okay, by default, we have two rank to paragraph because display block. But later on, we click on this button. It's something like it's hide. We hide the paragraph with the ID demo because it's none, so it's hide. So therefore, it's hide this with the ID demo. Okay. Or we can put like, okay, it's none from the beginning, and then when click on the button, it's blocked. So it's shown. Nothing, right? Click, it's shown. In case we just want to check something before you want to show information. You can use this way to show and to hide and show things. Based on the pattern, some event you can control. Okay. It's just the value, right? Style display like before we had style color, style front side something. Yeah, display. And we know that two value none and block is normal, right? None is hidden. But you see the difference, right? It's hidden. High text will go up. I know. Demo. Means show. You see it from here. When you show, it will go down. Like the insert the element and show it means the soul in the document. So it takes space, right? It takes up the space here. Because in the body, A to PP and then person. So if person is the last element, right? You understand what I mean? Just follow the order, appear inside the body. You understand that here? So that's here. Okay. So it is not spare the space for P ID demo, right? No space for that. No save in the space, no. So when I click on so that, it will show up and the pattern will be go down. Yeah, because sometimes we think, okay, it's not visible, it's not show there, but it's still there, right? It should be that space is safe for them, for the paragraph, one line, for example, but not for the case, it's not, right? It show, it means it have there, it's not, it have the other line. So this button go up and down, up and down. It's okay? So just think about this when you design the interface. Oh, I lost my slide. Where my slide? Here. Okay. Displays. Okay. Now come to the introduction, the history. Okay, you read it yourself. Introduction, history with the version. Up to now, we have to 2020. This start in even you see 1997, the first edition of script edition. Here, of course, the codings have to be inside the script touch, script open and close touch, right? So far, everything is inside the script. We have function, we have events. So far, we know have the event. Click in head. Here example for you. Check it out. We have script in the head. We have script in the head. So remind us about CSS, right? So have the internal in the head setting, and we have style, touch, and now we have style script. Script here, and define the function like the other program language, the keyword function and the name of the function. Okay, if you have parameter here, and we have this blanket, and then inside whatever you want, and then all have important go to the body. This body we have one heading 2, one paragraph, and one click button. It's very simple, right? And instead of we say document get etc. Here, instead you put it here, you take it out and put inside and call the name of the function, and then just call the function. You see? But this way we can reuse, right? And call my function everywhere. Of course, it just apply for demo ID, huh? Yeah, only for the ID because it's fixed here. Here, on place. So it looks like CSS, right? It's kind of before with the example here. We have the inline, right? Document. This is the inline script, right? And if you want to take it out to the top, I have to trim. To the
top in the head setting, right? You should put inside and call it with a name. And then instead of head inline, you have internal. You call just the name my function. Okay? This looks like CSS, right? The same. But instead of style, we have script. Okay? And of course, we also have external, right? Take it out, and we have external, like CSS. Alright? Logically, that's the same. Inline, internal, and later on, of course, we have the external, JS. Okay, here, everybody. Instead of we have this here, you cut it here, we put inside the head setting, inside the script, and we call with the name of its function, and now we just apply for the function. But remember, it's a quotation. Okay? On click quotation, the name you already define here. It's looking for. So what it's looking for here, it's looking for the function. My function will look up and it's look for the JavaScript you include it and have it. Here. What for the example? Example here, inside the body, right? We have the A2, we have P, we have button, and we have script. So the script can be in the header or at the end of the body inside the document. It's okay because when coming to this, looking for the my function. If don't have and the header is looking for inside the script, inside the body. Inside the body, looking for the script inside the body, whether they're looking for my function or not. So script here can put at the end of the body, inside the body, but at the end. So it means you can call the function and then define the function. It's okay, but remember inside script, you can put here or you can be in the header. It's okay? It's different compared to CSS. CSS not allowed to define by this. Yeah, that's different. Here are the external. External JavaScript. For example, for this function, we define and we say this file with myscript.js somewhere. And now we want to use the function myfunction. Inside the script, we just call the name of the file shows myscript.js. And whether inside myscript.js we have a 1 function, 2 function, 3 function, 100 function. When they in document, we call the function, they go into this JavaScript, myscript.js to looking for the function. It's okay? It looks like CSS, right? With a style, and here we have script. Yeah, they say that is the advantages. Yes, it separates HTML and code. It's easy for maintenance, so coding and HTML. Because if you put everything together, it's very long, right? I want to open it up. Really long. It's really over control to look at it because it's long. So it's better to take it out, and when you maintain, we just change this JavaScript JS open. You don't have to open the whole HTML like CSS. And add
more function, etc. Just open, and you even create a new JavaScript. We put more function on this and save it, or just one line script, source, the name of JavaScript, and close the script. That's enough. Okay. Nó rất thuận tiện là ví dụ sau này mình muốn phát triển thêm hàm đúng không? Trong document mình call thêm cái hàm thì code cũ vẫn code cũ đụng vậy, không có chỉnh sửa, thì mình chỉ chèn thêm một cái dòng để include thêm một cái file JavaScript, thêm function mà mình mới tạo thêm. Các bạn hiểu không? Không cần phải mở ra để tìm, để dò, để sửa một cái function nào đó, đúng không? Và kinh khủng nữa là nếu bỏ tất cả vào trong một cái file HTML vừa có JavaScript, thật kinh khủng đúng không? Nó long list nữa này, đúng không? Mình không có control được, có khi tìm rồi tìm chỗ này khi mình nhầm hàm này hàm kia nữa. Các bạn hiểu không? Đó. Here, Explorer has to script of the absolute, right? The absolute URL. Absolute. For example, if you want to use the JavaScript of the school on there, we include the absolute with the full line path space without any path. It's absolute. It's relative, right? It's relative. Okay, so far we already know inner HTML, right? Inner. Yeah, we're looking for the ID and then dot inner HTML. It means the content between the open and close tag of the element. They call inner element of HTML. For example, we have B, B, and something inside this inner. Okay. You can change this value to something else if you want this. You use inner HTML attribute. And you want to write something output for the HTML, we use document write. And inside that write, you can even add a paragraph, a header, an image, a picture, etc. Okay? And little alerts controls large. Small. Okay. The output. Yep, we are going to document get element. Remember, E is uppercase, Y uppercase, I uppercase. Document write. We already know about this. Here, document write of expression. Window alert. So, what window alert script? Inside the body, we have the header 2, we have the P, and then script. Script will call the window alerts. It's like document. Remember, the first we have a prompt, right? And here we have the alert. It means okay, right? Alert, something like this. So and the calculate 5 plus 6, 11, so we will alert 11. Yeah. Oh. Check it out. I'm not sure where it's blind with Spring can with this. I'm not sure. Maybe just try. Yeah, it's possible to have this. It means it's just concat the string 5 and 6. Okay, different, right? It's the letter 5. It's not the number 5. And then go with letter 6. So 5, 6. So in case you want to pop up and give information, notification, whatever to the user, with a window like this, user read this and then click on the button, okay? You just call video alert. Okay, and whatever is that. Value, static value, and expression. Một cái công thức gì đó, nội dung gì đó ở trong này. Công thức thì nó tính kết quả là nó hiện, đúng không? Nội dung thì nó sẽ hiện thị nội dung ra. Select statement. Here they call it statement. Last is define the variable x, y, z. Okay, just open. Inside the body, we have the header 2, we have P, paragraph, and JavaScript program is bold, right? Bold. And then we have the statements, bold also, but at least it's normal, right? Here, it's normal. And then we have the P with the ID demo, but with P nothing, right? In the HTML is nothing here. So combined with the code, we have the script. Inside the script, we have element looking for the ID demo here, this paragraph, and they have the value in the HTML here. It's nothing, right? It will be show the value of z is z, and z equal x plus y. So that's it. So it's supposed to be, oh, it's already here. Yeah, no click button because it's a string here. Script. So what do you think about this? Break time? Not yet. You see, you have P, we have script. So let's think about it here. We have P here. Oh no, okay, we have the header 2, right? And then we have a P, demo nothing, right? This is nothing. And then we have a script, and inside it do something. So let's think of this is not option, right? So everywhere in your body of the HTML, you put script. And it will go to the script and carry on the code. You understand what I mean? Inside this element, you don't call the function, right? No function. You're not calling document get ID, no. But it means that everywhere in the document inside the body, it just open script and close script. HTML will have to go through it and do it all. You understand what I mean? Có nghĩa cái trường hợp này các bạn phân tích này xem này. Lúc nãy thì mình thấy cái sự kiện là nó nhấn nút đúng không? Thì nó gọi. Còn trường hợp này thì sao? Hoặc nó gói trong một cái function, rồi nó gọi cái function đó đúng không? Function nó đặt trong một script đúng không? Nhưng mà trường hợp này của chúng ta sao? Trên cái này thì dễ hiểu rồi đúng không? Một header 2 và một paragraph. Trong đó định dạng paragraph, một số đoạn là in đậm, một số là không đúng không? Rồi tới một paragraph này đặc biệt nó không có nội dung gì hết, mà nó có ID là demo. Được chưa? Sau đó nếu mà tính ra về phần HTML là kết thúc rồi đúng không? Mà nó kèm thêm script, vậy thì mắc gì nó chạy vào trong này? Vậy thì HTML nó sẽ quét hết. Nó gọi là cái gì ta? Nó moi mắt hết, script là nó nhảy vào. Các bạn hiểu ý tôi nói không? Nó nhảy vào thì mới có sự kiện là nó gọi cái này ra. Thấy không? Rồi, thì nó thực hiện cái này thì bắt đầu nó dò tìm những anh nào có ID demo. Rồi nó tính toán kết quả G đã có trên này rồi, nó làm từ trên dưới rồi mà. Và nó thay đổi cái nội dung inner HTML của cái thằng mà có demo là đây, thằng này nhất chưa có gì thì khỏe, nó value của nó chính là cái này luôn, nó hiển thị ra đây. Vậy trong một cái body của HTML, nếu các bạn muốn cái nội dung đó luôn luôn được làm, đúng không, chứ nó không phải nằm trong một cái phần của một function gọi thì mới làm. Các bạn hiểu ý cô nói thì nó khác nhau nha. Muốn là lúc nào gọi mới làm thì sao, thì đặt nó vào trong cái function đó. Còn muốn nó là trường hợp nào nó cũng làm hết, như trường hợp này là trường hợp nào nó cũng làm hết, đúng không, nó phải làm từ trên xuống dưới, hình dung không? Thì chúng ta sẽ dùng theo kiểu này. Vậy có kiểu này là giống như cái kiểu inline đó các bạn. Nội dung hiển thị chỗ nào mà thích đó, giống như CSS rồi đó, thì chèn vào một cái đoạn code, mà code đó thì bởi vì nó thuộc script thì nó phải làm dấu để mà cái thằng browser của những trình duyệt đọc HTML rồi nó hiểu tới đây là code này dừng lại này, đúng không, làm code này chứ không phải là đọc theo cái ngôn ngữ tra từ điển của HTML. Các bạn hiểu ý cô nói không? Và nó sẽ làm, bắt buộc làm từ trên xuống dưới, one by one, được chưa? Còn nếu trường hợp mà trong một element trên này mình có thể gọi một cái function, đúng không? Đúng không? Nãy giờ là chúng ta từ element này thì get ID này nọ thế kia rồi gọi function, đúng không, để show nó ra, thì lúc đó nó mới đi tìm cái function đó. Và cái function đó là khi đã đưa vào function thì sao, phải gọi cái chằng cha cái function thì nó mới làm, chứ để khơi khơi như thế này, như lúc nãy nó nằm phía dưới, đúng không? Hiểu không? Đó, thì theo tình huống nếu mà để script thì cái bối cảnh các bạn nghĩ hình dung một cái interface mình đang thiết kế ý tưởng rồi, và mình muốn là tới khi mà nó hiển thị paragraph rồi khung rồi table rồi tới cái đoạn này thì nó làm một số tính toán, đúng không? Thì các bạn sẽ để nó script open với script close start của nó trong cái phần tính toán đó. Và cái trường hợp này nó trong cái tình huống là lúc nào nó cũng chạy. Còn nếu mình muốn là nó chỉ chạy trong một số trường hợp có event click thì event mouse over hay vân vân, thì chúng ta nên để vào trong những function và gán trong cái event cho nó gọi cái function đó ra, hay là để bên ngoài một cái file JavaScript đó, và chúng ta include nó vào trong cái HTML của mình ha. Cái đoạn này đặc biệt nhé, có nghĩa là nó sẽ thực hiện ưu tiên từ trên xuống dưới, được chưa? Nếu element của HTML thì nó thực hiện nội dung, còn nếu script thì nó tính toán thôi, bảo nó làm gì nó làm đấy. Còn cái này là cũng là cái phần hiển thị thôi, nó tìm do cái hàm này nó có sẵn rồi, được nha. Ok, everybody okay? Okay, now come to the syntax. How to create variables. Var or let's okay, var is also okay. How to use, just assign or with the less. The syntax number or written double or single. Both okay. Var, less, and constant with it's short for constant, right? Less s equals 6 here. It's normal, right? The sign with equal common. We can comment with this double slashes or between this as a common. For script, the common of HTML different, right? Here's the common for script. You remember the common for HTML? Equal, right? Exclamation equal. And now it's common for the coding JavaScript. Okay, when you name something like variables, identifier, whatever, you have to follow the rules. The letter A to Z or A to Z. A dollar sign is allowed. With dollar signs is allowed to either name, define for variable, and whatever name in JavaScript for ID, right? Or underscore is allowed. Case sensitive, so it's last name and last name different, right? Case sensitive, nó phân biệt giữa chữ hoa chữ thường rất rõ ràng nha các bạn. Name mà N viết thường với name bình thường mà N viết hoa hay viết thường thì thành một variable khác nhau nhé. Anh nếu đặt nó ID thì nó là hai ID khác nhau nhé. Case sensitive có nghĩa là nó phân biệt. JavaScript and cable, right? Often they name something like first name, last name, mascot. It's something like this. They call camel case. Pauses. What it causes? A lot prompt confirmation. Here, a lot, right? A lot want to show something, information, whatever. A lot to announce. Inside script, JavaScript, and we have just only one, a lot inside the body. We have the prompt. Okay, this example we already have prompt. All enough for you to input something. For this case, it's complicated. We have the welcome, it's a label in instruction, and the default value. Sometimes we see the prompt and some default value available for you, and you just change it. Default values. We have the text and the input. For this case, input will be Krishna, and document will rise with welcome to C corner plus, and the text is what the God from this box Krishna will ask. So we have the string add function, right? Đối với kiểu như là chuỗi là cứ cộng là nó nối tiếp nhau hả? Dạ đúng. Thì xem có người trong nhà mở cửa không, bỏ vào giùm ha. Pauses. Confirm. Okay, you want something? Yes or no? Okay, cancel, something like that. It's a confirm. And the message, the question. That the two different button. Okay, cancel. Pauses. And we can customize whether it's okay, cancel or something. This example with the function inside, and we have two parameter P1, P2, and the return value is very simple. Just multiply to number. Product. The syntax and the function is the keyword, the name of the function and parameter 1, 2, 3, for example, and inside we have the code. And when we call the function, maybe the function we assign with the event, like a click of a button, or when it's called the JavaScript code, or it automatically return here, return A, B. After finish return, it will go out the function, right? It finish whatever there's something else after return is no use. Return just means finish the function, go out. What function? A because you want to simplify and reuse the code, and you don't want to have a long coding repeated everywhere. Here example, convert to the Celsius of Fahrenheit to Celsius. It be this. No, it's just to have a parameter and then they calculate expression only. No. And okay, then looking for the ID with demo and change the content is a P is something out there and they call the function to Celsius. Function here you can use this as the parameter and also you can add directly to the expression. You can call this here and let the output from the function, or we just choose Celsius here also. It's available and is allowed in JavaScript. For example, this inside the function we define a variable. It means that variable should apply just function to be function inside the function. It cannot be called the name and use a value outside the scope. Yeah. Có nghĩa là khi chúng ta khai báo một cái biến mà nằm trong cái hàm ấy, dĩ nhiên cái biến nó chỉ xài và xuất hiện trong cái hàm đó thôi, đúng không? Chứ không thể chạy ra ngoài mà gọi lại trên cái biến đó trên hay phía dưới được, đúng không? Gọi là cái phạm vi hoạt động của cái biến, scope của nó. Cái này các bạn biết đúng không? Có nghĩa là chỉ chú ý điều là một cái hàm một cái function nào đó mà trong đó có khai báo và dùng các biến số, thì khi ra khỏi cái function đó rồi thì cái biến đó nó không có tác dụng gì đâu nhá. Đi nhớ điều đó rồi. Nhanh nhất dễ nhá. Rồi. And now we have if statement. If condition and statement inside. If condition is true, right? Nếu mà cái điều kiện condition này đúng thì nó sẽ thực hiện vào trong cái câu lệnh ở trong bracket này, đúng không? Rồi. This example. Here example is script. We have number is prompt, so user will enter whatever number, and then it will compare to zeros. Is greater than zeros. We will have the alert given number is positive, and that's it. I enter 2, so the alert gives the number is positive. Okay? So inside the script, whatever you use it, and this we learn the first statement, it's the if statement, if condition, and then what is that. And now with the if else statement, if else, this means it's wrong, right? Expression is wrong or is false. You do the other thing instead of the two. And we can have this long like this. We have one condition, two condition. We can have if with an else, check for the other condition, and continue. And this example, we have the prompt inside a number, and user will enter whatever. And this number, no, it will be string, right? So we had to convert the string into integers, so pass integers. Okay, so we have a number, so we can get is not a number. So is not a number, we will require them enter a number. Okay, and if it's already a number, we will check whether it's 0. We will alert number 0, whether it's even or not even or odd. Module là module, một cái số mà module cho hai, tức là sao, là module là sao, thì nó số dư đúng không? Đúng không? Có nghĩa là ví dụ 15 mà module với 2 thì sao? Thì nó có dư đúng không? Cái này là 1 thì nó sẽ nằm trong này, nó sẽ bảo là nó là số lẻ. Còn nếu mà ngược lại với cái eo của cái này á, thì nó chính là nó chia hết rồi, thì nó sẽ nhảy xuống trường hợp này, nó bảo là số đó là số chẵn. Thì cái trường hợp này đặc biệt ở chỗ này nè, nãy giờ mình cũng thấy là cái hàm from này nó cho vào chúng mình là một cái chuỗi đúng không? Thì để chuyển đổi cái đó sang cái number thì mình dùng cái hàm page đổi sang integer, đúng không? Và cái hàm này cũng đặc biệt, is not a number, có nghĩa nếu cái giá trị số đưa vào hay là cái này để check lại thêm một lần thôi mà, đúng không? Nó không phải là number, đúng không? Nếu nó không phải number thì phải vào trong cái này làm bảo người ta nhập lại đi, đúng không? Còn nếu đã là number rồi thì kiểm tra thôi, nếu bằng 0 thì cho cái quả bạn nói là đây là số 0, đúng không? Thì số 0 đâu có phải số chẵn, đâu phải số lẻ gì đâu, đúng không ạ? Đó, đây là trường hợp rồi, nó kiểm tra tiếp nếu mà nó là số dư chia cho 2 mà khác 0, đúng không? Thì nó nói là số lẻ. Còn trường hợp còn lại, đúng không? Là số chẵn. Else, nó nói vậy là trường hợp còn lại chỉ có duy nhất thôi, được chưa? Trường hợp còn lại hay những trường hợp còn lại thì người ta dựng else, đúng không? Và bối cảnh thì trường hợp còn lại nó chỉ còn một trường hợp duy nhất. Đó, cái này thì cái hàm lượng toán một chút phải có cái không này, bởi vì đa số thì các bạn nhớ from của mình là nó có cho nhập bất kỳ cái gì, đúng không? Cái hàm from này nó rất là thoáng. Rồi, đây là cái ví dụ minh họa của nó. Rồi, tới cái switch, you know this, có nghĩa là nó có nhiều trường hợp mà nó set, đúng không? Và nó cũng giống như trường hợp else trên kia, if else trên kia, nhưng mà dưới này nó sẽ cảm thấy cái cấu trúc nó gọn ghẽ hơn, nó chia thành vùng. Ví dụ là dữ liệu, cái điều kiện của mình, expression của mình này, nếu mà nó bằng 1 thì nó làm cái gì này? Break có nghĩa là nó ra khỏi của cái phạm vi script này luôn, các bạn hiểu không? Yeah. Rồi nếu mà cái expression mà trường hợp mà giá trị là bằng 2 thì nó làm như thế này, expression nó bằng 3 thì nó làm như thế này ha. Cho đến thì tùy thôi, mình có nhiều bao nhiêu, mình nếu mà nó nhiều quá mà không kiểm soát nổi thì thường người ta sẽ dùng vòng lặp, đúng không? Để check thôi, chứ không ai mà ngồi đó dư thôi. Mà ví dụ phải check từ số 1 đến 10 cũng mỏi rồi, đúng không? Mình ngồi 10 trường hợp rồi, nếu nó bằng 1, nếu nó bằng 2, rồi giống như là làm gì, đúng không? Xét trường hợp nếu mà, nhưng mà tùy cái điều kiện cái công việc á, theo tính chất, đúng không? Người ta phải tìm ra quy tắc để cho nó. Còn nếu mà nó điều kiện nó ít á, đúng không? Một vài thì người ta if else, đúng không? Nhưng mà if else này phải có từ phân bố và cái loại trừ nha các bạn. Ví dụ mình là học toán, đúng không? Thì ví dụ ở đây là trừ 5, đúng không? Không 5 cô lấy ví dụ nha, thì có những cái khoản như này, ví dụ mình có thể chia là từ nhỏ 5 này, 5 đến 0 này, 0 đến 5 này, lớn hơn 5, đúng không? Thì cái tiếp theo nó apply trong cái tình huống đó. Ví dụ nó nói là trường hợp nhỏ hơn 5 hay trường hợp nhỏ hơn 0 là trường hợp từ 0 đến 5, rồi eo là cái trường hợp. Các bạn hiểu không? Có nghĩa là cái eo và những cái phạm vi mà if eo nó có rất là rõ ràng và nó phải bao quát hết tất cả. Đúng không? Còn cái script thì nó sẽ mang tính rải rác thôi, rải rác. Nếu nó như thế này như kia ha, dĩ nhiên nó cũng có cái eo, đúng không? Trường hợp nó cũng có cái eo, cụ thể ở đây là default. Nhưng mà cái default này nó là thứ tự ưu tiên, nó mang tính default, có nghĩa là đúng cho những cái eo còn lại, chứ nó không phải default là nó ưu tiên hơn cái case 1, 2, 3 condition này. cái condition này vẫn là ưu tiên trước hết, các bạn hiểu không? For example, the day we have split the day 1, 2, 3, 1 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Of course, we have to 7 Saturday, and the others is imbalance with it. Yeah. It's like the game here. It's okay so far. So we have, if we have swift, we have swift in swift case is the same. If else, and look. We don't know how many steps they will go through, right? But we know when they will stop at some condition. We can control it. We use loop. Important to have, and see the form, the condition, and agree or disagree, and the statement. And this statement we will repeat every time this loop is going. The example function palindrome. What is it? You know this? Palindrome. For example, if we input 1H1, so it's a palindrome is 1A1. And if we enter ABC, so palindrome will be ABC. So what is this? Do you know it? Palindrome is whatever, maybe word, number, phrase, or the sequence of symbol that read the same backward and forward, such as mad and mad. The same, right? On the left and the right, the same. Race car. No. Yes. Race car. Yes. Race car. And this sentence, a man plant a canal, Panama. A man, right? Plant. Okay. Canal. Panama. Crazy, huh? They have a lot of time, so they think about this. So what do you think, how to find out the palindrome for a phrase or a text? You just read from the left and then rewrite from the right? Thì chúng ta cứ viết từ bên trái sang bên phải, đúng không? Sau đó viết ngược lại, mà nếu hai cái đó giống nhau thì đó là palindrome, đúng không? Nếu không thì nếu mà chỉ cần một cái thôi mà nó không giống thì không có cần xét tiếp nữa, đúng không? Bởi vì chắc chắn là nó không có ý nghĩa nó phải giống hết mà. Ok, đó là cái cách mà người ta kiểm tra hai đầu. nó có cái câu chuyện riêng của nó đúng không? Thế kỷ thứ 4 phải không? Ở Greek. It's a poet and writer Henry Fishman. Gentleman by Henry Fishman, engraving French. How's the poem look like? Here. Làm cô nhớ ở trong Paris by Night, ông Nguyễn Ngọc Ngạn cũng có một cái câu thơ gì đó đọc xuôi đọc ngược, các bạn nhớ không? Dĩ nhiên nó hài gì đó giữa đàn ông với đàn bà hay là cái gì đó. Recently nó không có cho cái đó. Đây, for example, life is joy, pride is so you read from the first line to the last, and then you read the last to be the same, right? Brightly, life is joy, brightly shone she, knowing not, right? Có nghĩa là một cái đoạn đọc từ trên đến dưới và đọc ở dưới lên trên nó giống nhau. Cô nhớ có cái hài kịch đó, có đó chưa? Ok. Ok, break.